Are you guys excited?
So excited. Yeah.
What are you most looking forward to? Way too long of a pause. Don't smush the chips. Oh God, the overnight's gonna be ruined. You can see we're loading up here. On the Schill overnights, anything goes. Backpacking with the Wives, Volume 2. Backpacking with the Wives and Cat.
I wouldn't call this backpacking.
It's technically backpacking.
We are gonna have a backpack on
Yeah.
for like a mile.
Are you guys excited?
So excited. Yeah.
What are you most looking forward to? Way too long of a pause. Okay. Are you looking forward to this? Yeah. Does she have your hat? Did you get your own Brooks hat?
Yeah, this is my hat.
I like those shoes.
Thanks. Actually, this is the first time I'm hiking.
Are those the 3.5s?
Andy, which ones are these? Yeah.
Oh, what's Andy
With
bringing?
the extra toe.
Oh, Andy going fancy. No Doritos? Olive oil? Nice. Are they flavored?
No.
Oh, God. So we are back on the trail. We finally got out and dragged the wives out. They actually wanted to. We were down in Mohican State Forest. Only ever been here for the YouTube meetup. We have a big crew with us, and it's an overnight, and it's a birthday overnight. So that's an even bigger deal. Oh, this is a nice spot. But we'll get into what we're doing. Beautiful summer day here in Ohio. Because it's an overnight, we of course have plenty of fun stuff to do. So we will get into that, but it's absolutely gorgeous here.
Yeah, the water feels nice.
Are you guys enjoying your second backpacking experience?
Yeah.
Your second time together.
This is my third
Yeah.
ever.
This is a really pretty area.
I just need to figure out how to put this chair.
Oh yeah. Andy gave you the chair zero?
Yeah, I'm taking the Cadillac.
Oh yeah, that's right. It's a beautiful little area here. Look at that.
Wait, what do I have? The Audi?
You'd think the spot would be incredibly
Yeah. It's trying to taste like cardboard.
Say hi.
It's just looking right at me.
No, it's looking at all of us. Camera.
He's crawling up your chair. Oh. Alright, buddy. On the other side. He's now under.
Oh, did you bring the Boda
crawling
box?
up to the top.
I told her to bring that.
I feel like the ones that they had at Target were like the biggest. They were bigger than that.
Yeah, this one.
How much did that cost?
Like 10, 12 bucks.
Okay, because the ones they had at Target were $20. They were huge, and I was like, I
That's
don't.
usually what. Yeah, that's usually what we get.
And I just thought it was gonna be so heavy.
He's almost to the top.
If they had that size.
Oh man, that's cool.
There's a really special guest on this trip.
Yes,
First person I ever backpacked with.
it's true. I popped his cherry.
We're gonna put some pictures up.
All right, trip update.
How's it going with the wives so far?
Actually, I can see Alex back there collecting wood.
so that's good.
This is also best case scenario, first time backpacking, I think.
Yeah.
Other than this kind of ramshackle thing we've got going on here.
Yeah, you know, it might be interesting to figure out how to dupe your fiance or girlfriend or wife into backpacking for the first time.
That'd be a good video.
That would be. Maybe you can like just talk about how there's like I don't know, booze or something, or not far from the trailhead.
Bathrooms close by.
Bathrooms.
Just show them pictures of out west and say it's
Yeah,
like
show
that.
pictures of Tetons.
Yeah, show them fake pictures of things. Oh, I think it's time to eat dinner now.
Wait, do you have two trash bags in there?
That's like that episode of Sunny where it's all filled with burritos.
So one of the most important things when you go backpacking,
Oh my God!
you gotta like triple bag it because it gets you know wet. So we're gonna fill this show.
Wait, what's in here?
Yeah, there's,
Oh my God!
yeah.
Oh, how heavy is this?
How many pounds of chicken are in there?
An entire chip.
No pain, no gain. I'm training forever.
Just throw it on the fire with the Ziploc bags.
Probably should. But then maybe the Ziploc bag juices will go into my foil.
That's pretty. So, hey, what's all in there? Explain to the subscribers.
Oh, okay. So, you know, I decided that I want to do most of my preparatory work for dinner at home. And we had an open fire, so I got some heavy-duty aluminum foil, and we just put some vegetables and some chicken and some potatoes in here with olive oil, salt, pepper.
Oh,
and,
nice.
now we're hopefully have a fire that can cook it.
Oh my God, it's huge.
Yeah, it's big. I mean,
Oh, there's two of them. Oh, okay, okay.
dinner packs, baby.
Update.
Yeah, let's see.
Oh, it does. I can smell it.
You can smell it,
We're
right?
just doing
Smells
a,
good.
ow! Do a quick peek. It smells like
Oh,
the
it
fair.
smells so good. Smells good.
The other one is getting fried.
I know.
Go
Oh,
on there.
we can see an early peek.
Oh my God, I can smell it. It smells so good.
Ooh.
Where's the chicken? Try the chicken out.
What
Oh
is
my
that?
God, it's so moist, so juicy. Oh my God, doesn't even. Oh my God,
It smells so good.
Oh, that's a potato.
here's a potato.
Looks done.
Oh my gosh, you have plates too?
Oh, there we go. All right.
That's just one serving. How was dinner?
It was fantastic.
What did you have?
I had 2 cheese-filled brats and a bunch of chips. I don't know.
All right.
A bunch of
Allie.
I had the same.
yeah?
Broths, chips, dip.
Oh, we had a lot of dip.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Buffalo chicken dip.
Look at this backpacking
And
food.
cookies.
Cookies, hot dogs,
Dude, I like the
tortillas.
Montauk
Yeah,
pepper
ultra light.
char.
Yeah. Alex, what'd you have?
Failed macaroni and cheese.
Yeah, how'd that fail so bad? What was the deal there?
I think it was boiling too long while you guys were cutting down that tree.
Yeah, we actually felled
a tree.
we felled a widowmaker. No joke.
Okay, so we haven't really talked much. We've just like had this durian and not said a lot about it. But for my birthday, we got a durian, and Andy has not gotten in it yet. Okay, so all right, it's a little bit bigger. I think she got a wide. Oh my God, though. Andy hasn't gotten in it yet, so we're getting.
We're gonna check it out.
We're gonna check it out. Isn't that blowing your mind? You're getting.
It's already really soft. This is crazy.
It's aerobic 1.2.
What is it called now?
Dude.
Yeah, yeah. It's wide, dude. It's pretty comfortable.
Oh my gosh, this is comfy. Oh my god, this is comfy.
We had a surprise Darien. There's a lot of room. I think it's a wide. I haven't looked at the shipping email. I think it's a wide. And if it's a wide, how good is the wide?
Need a pea cloth in there.
Yeah, you definitely need a pea cloth.
There's no shelf.
Oh,
I haven't put a shelf in. I haven't put anything in. This is virgin.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, I love the peak.
This is
It's a virgin Darien.
Oh my god, this is comfortable.
You enjoying it?
Yeah,
Oh,
this is
you
It's huge, dude. You got a lot of well, he hasn't laid in it yet. You got a lot of room in there.
This is nice.
Yeah, it looks good with that underquilt.
Dude, this has no cap ridge.
I think it's because it's so wide.
Is that what you got him for his birthday?
Alex.
Like, do you notice how much wider it is?
Yeah, there's a lot of room for
There's a
activity.
lot of room for activities in that hammock.
Is that the Dreamweaver?
Dreamweaver.
The dream.
We got s'mores.
That's like fancy.
You know, is this the first time we brought s'mores backpacking? I don't know if we've ever brought s'mores backpacking.
What's your butts in
I like car camping.
Oh.
I know, right? It's surprising.
Yeah.
I don't think we ever have.
Sorry.
I don't know. Maybe.
Yeah, fire.
It's a good fire.
We have some Hershey's.
Look at this.
You make one more.
Do you want with almond?
Yes, please.
Okay.
How much fire do you want?
Oh, how much fire do you want?
I like that.
Medium fire.
Medium well.
Okay.
What is this one right now?
You're at a rare fire.
I think we're at about that because
You
they're
want
about
some?
to fall off.
You comfortable in there? Yeah. You look pretty. Looks.
Pretty cozy.
And you're laying the right way in it now.
Yes. Well, I naturally want to go this way, but
Because you'd be running into some fabric.
I have avoided the temptation.
All right. Well, this was a pretty fun night here in
Yeah,
Mohican.
happy birthday.
Yep. Happy birthday to me. Beautiful morning here. Birthday morning. Oh, I can see my wife. There she is. Your hammock's the same color as mine. Why'd you get us the same color?
I want us to match your mug.
Okay. You got down to 57 last night. She didn't hear me.
It's toasty in here.
I bet you're in a 20-degree sleeping bag.
How was your birthday night sleep?
It's very comfortable. As part of my birthday, I would like you to get up and make the coffee.
You want to trust me with the alcohol still?
Oh no, I brought the canister stove.
Oh, okay.
You have no excuses.
Happy birthday.
Yep. Because it's my birthday, I've requested coffee from the hammock. But I don't know if that's actually going to happen.
You keep saying you're gonna get up.
And I'm going to. Just throw it down. Pretty nice little campsite here, though. It's cold. Nice little spot, though. Allie's got it. Allie's in charge of doing everything for me today because it's my birthday.
You've been saying that about the week.
Dude, turning 25 is so much fun.
Look at this ramshackle setup. You know, this is actually like, we fit 4 hammocks in here easier than I thought we would. Andy, I always forget you're back there with that war bonnet.
Seems like 90% of the people that try to run it.
Yeah, so did 99% of them.
Yeah.
And let's put it inside the hammock.
You know, when you get home, you always have to. That's one advantage. Shill's got to set up at his house where he just hangs everything.
Yeah.
But you got to hang all this shit up, or else it's like disgusting.
Just when it's wet like this.
But I feel like when you get back, you always have because you don't want any moisture.
Oh yeah, this hammock's pretty damp. Andy took a ride in 2016 today.
Yeah, it felt good.
Yeah?
Yeah, it was. I was kind of thinking that I was gonna be disappointed not being in the Chameleon, but the Blackbird, I slept great in it.
So we got a Blackbird, got a Chameleon, and not pictured Dream Hammock. Breakfast was coffee and bars.
Yeah, we didn't get fancy.
No. We got fancy for dinner.
Yeah.
This was the babbling brook we were next to all night. It's pretty nice. And we totally could, but we packed in all our water because it was an overnight. but pretty nice water source. Did you get some good pics?
Yeah.
It's pretty scenic. It's weirdly scenic for Ohio.
I like how the light comes down
Oh, through there?
through the trees.
Yeah. We're packing up now. Heading out. I forget what trail we took. Do you remember? Yellow? Wasn't it a color? It was yellow. So, yeah, we're only a couple miles from the car. Trying to remember. I think we just go straight out through there. Oh, beautiful morning. It's like a little game trail runs through here. Struggling?
Yeah.
It's pretty muddy.
Yeah. And like a couple birds.
Oh yeah? It's pretty nice. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Did someone go in? What? Yeah. Oh, it's so muddy.
Oh gosh. Watch.
Well, my feet are already wet. Oh, nice. It does feel kind of good. Not gonna lie. You're almost there. Final push. See, at least you get to do the uphill while your pack's light.
Yeah.
Instead of, as you went downhill with all the water. You always have a pretty big pack for a one-nighter. That's like your thing.
There's our food in there.
Yeah, that's true. Okay, we're out. And they're instantly on their phones.
Yep.
Well, what was your favorite part of this trip?
Getting back to the car.
Nice.
We're set up by the water.
Yeah?
I like
Yeah.
it. That was a great.
That was a pretty good backpacking trip. So, all right, wives, round 2's in the books.
Successful.
Hi, how can I help you?
Yeah, can I get a number 9 with a Diet Coke, large, please?
Anything else for you today?
Yeah, can I get 3 additional large Diet Cokes?
Will that be all?
That's it.
So you want 4 Diet Cokes in this order?
Yeah, total of 4.
All right, that'll be 8